As I read from the chapter on teaching writing, I was able to reflect on my writing experience and how I can improve upon my experiences for my future students. When I reflect on my writing throughout my life, I remember how formulaic learning the process was in the primary years. That's how I had to learn it, though. Seeing and practicing the process several times enabled me to know how to organize my writing and make it functional. Through the years, as I got older and continued to practice, I found out that I had a certain process which worked for me. It stemmed from learning the 5 stages presented in the reading, but would not have been possible if I didn't first learn from those 5 in a formulaic way. Some things that stood out to me as I read was the importance of setting up the environment of the classroom. If I want my students to behave and work in a certain way, I need to model that behavior and continue to practice it day to day. The atmosphere of the classroom is crucial for Writer's Workshop to work effectively. It is something that gives the students independence and accountability where they are learning and helping together in a cooperative setting. Implementing Writer's Workshop may be difficult, but is well worth the try and try again mentality. For as I engage my students in this type of learning to write, writing will become more purposeful and hopefully more enjoyable to them. My graphic organizer starts with the mini lessons. The top left picture is an example of what a mini lesson would look like in introducing the writing process. And then it transitions to the practicing and the students implementing it stage where they actually are involved and are learning how to do the steps for themselves. I listed a number sequence that's not necessarily in order, but shows that as students practice and find the way they like to write and improve their writing upon, it becomes personalized and it's functional for them. And at the bottom is a snapshot of what a classroom might look like in the cooperative setting and where everyone is comfortable with sharing and teaching and learning.